Hello, I'm Rick with Renovation Flooring, coming to you today to talk about the difference between ceramic and porcelain tile. The main difference between the two tiles is the body and construction of the tile. A ceramic is made with clay, minerals, and water, and has a glaze on the top. It's typically used for interior use because of its high absorbency to moisture and can freeze in the wintertime. A porcelain tile is made with clay, sand, and feldspar. The feldspar helps fuse all the minerals and clay together, so it gives you a harder, denser tile. It could be glazed or unglazed, so you would have the same color all the way through the tile. It's very low absorbency of moisture, so it could be used interior or exterior. It's even great for showers and kitchen areas. Another big difference between the two is cost. A porcelain tile is a little heavier and harder to install, so normally you would use a professional to install that for you. A ceramic is a little easier to install, so it's more DIY friendly, but we have all the options here at Renovation Flooring for you, so stop by and say hello.